Today we're going to use basic algebraic properties to justify steps when solving equations. Key points. Your goal when solving equations is to isolate the variable using inverse operations. Your equation has to stay balanced the whole time. Properties of equality are rules that allow you to balance, manipulate, and solve equations. You can use properties to explain your reasoning when solving equations. Steps: isolate the variable. Showing each step. Beside each step, justify your work using the basic algebraic properties. Example 1. Verify the following properties. Alright, so associative property of addition. Showing that if I do 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 6, I get 11. If I swap my numbers around and move my parentheses, then I still get 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 1 is 11. Distributive property, showing that two numbers inside the parentheses with a number outside can be multiplied by the number outside of the parentheses. So you can add 7 and 2, get 9. 8 times 9 is 72. Or I can show that 8 times 2, 8 times 2, 8 times 7, 8 times 7, multiply, then add them together. So there's two properties. Solve each equation. Justify your reason in each step. Make sure when we do this, in the first blank on your steps, when you're writing your properties, make sure you write original equation. Alright, and then you show going down, show whatever step you did to get to this step. Alright, so my first step, obviously they distributed 3 times x, 3 times 4, and got 3x plus 12. So we have 5x plus 3x plus 12 equals 28. Distributive property. My next step right here, showing how we flow down, we simplified 5x plus 3x and got 8x. That's also called combine like terms, but now you'll be doing simplify. That's what you need to start calling. Alright, and right here we go from, we're going to isolate our variable. So we have addition here, plus 12, so we're going to use the subtraction property of equality. Alright, and then we get 12 minus 12 is 0. 12 minus 28 is going to give me 16. Now I'm going to divide by 8. And divide by 8, and that gives me division property of equality. X equals 2. Alright, let's try some more. Right here, I have the original equation. As you can see here, let me go ahead and erase this piece right here so we can see what we kind of start with. We got addition here. Alright, so we got x plus 2. So x plus 3 over 2. So our first step was to multiply. Showed y'all this the other day, special case. Times 2 on both sides. That's the multiplication property of equality. That's how we get from here to here. Alright, make sure you start off with the original. Alright, and then we end up with x plus 3 equals 18. Alright, so right here we're going to use the subtraction property of equality. Minus 3 from both sides here. And we get 15. And notice that step's right here in between here. Alright, and then we got x plus 0 equals 15, and our final step is the additive property of inequalities. Alright. And that shows that step right there that we talked about earlier.